mawakiri bonthe bara barutagira ngugi Tharaka nibejete hamwe na muoroto jo gutigira kinya ni bakugwata njara bara bonthe bakuthomera ngugi je bakiaria nyuma ya kuruguria gikundi giki kirabetete Tharaka Lawyers Association baugite bagatigira kinya ARITWA ba secondary na primary ni bakwamukira mataro jege ora bombike gutonya ngugi neteje tora tugutarirwa ni Paul Kabithia.
Kiama ya mawakiri ntereche Tharaka kira kiombite kurugurwa muthenya gwemthi
taka aragiria munyonge na Tharaka gasuba for many years tutuire gutumika ta footnote kana ta marginalized community among the Merus or among the region ko tona Tharaka needs a voice and a political voice na tuga tuya amwe to champion for the interests of Tharaka people na Tharaka community na Tharaka region as a whole. Na itamoto ajire na kiama hiki na ngukana muno ntinkona to a number to members 67 members and counting. Na ito kuniveti bangi babarinja bata join this group wombe to join
arangi amababa na moroto wa gukiria mugongo uyu wa Tharaka.
Kiama giki gitu yantu bara bathomete mantu maciria na ugambi bakuma Tharaka gitumi kiakyo gya kinene muno i mentorship ana betu baba nini rimwe bakithi kuthura course kinyuga bena bakurukite bakuwa bena umo bakumenye course ire kwembega. Number 2 ana babetu bamukinya babarudite kinyo wakiri obu kinyere mukona gintu ta attachment kana kinya pupillage ikokuwa kwena umo kidogo ende kiama gitugie tuye wa mbere twambe tumanye nribagana wakaire tumenyane iko antubari na especially dire kutwena cio ngi baigene na mantu mogambi na sheria Tharaka baba tareaga itoko boromba ya buka wata ndeto ino na bio uringi bombe koya tuimbaniria amwe tukurie mugongo wetu
magira kiombire kurugurirwo cukuru ni Tharaka University
iki gategeria muno mentorship programs non to inana banini bara bakwenda kuwira obwiri kuthio kendo tetheka na mawakiri ma twina mwagao they are very experienced na inkuthugania tukenderea upatina nabo kunenganira mentorship programs. March 2024 kwa twina wa career week na itukubadika baje na the young students and they encourage them.
Vice Chancellor wa cukuru no Professor Peter Kinyomoriungi augite bota cukuru bakawatanira na nkiama ino kwanjire cukuru ya kuthomithia magwatho a Tharaka University.
Also starting our faculty of law na mawakiri ma twina moa mboba gatuthomithiria ni mboba gatutetheria kutuchwira mawakiri ma mangi magatuthomithiria na these mawakiri ama no ntamaba na kampuni na mono no ARITWA beto bakathi attachment. So this is also another area that we are going to collaborate. Number 3, as we start the faculty of law, itokwenda kinyama buku. We need those who can donate some books. Starting the Kenya School of Law, Tharaka campus, the first campus of its type. Na as a university, itwa committed that before Mheshimiwa Murugara aka campus, we are going to host the Kenya School of Law, KENDA ya Mberia, then after ya take off, to kamira ara Mheshimiwa gaka.
Bito ya Professor Muriungi kire mawakiri ama.
Civic education, ntukoromba mawakiri metu maume na Nairobi, baya bathomithia antu betu, kuthura antu bega, no ntubo kuona Tharaka still twina thini ya roji, twina thini ya barabara, twina thini ya stima guntu kumwe. These mawakiri ama iwo the voice of the voiceless na nkwenda ku encourage baro the advocacy law kenda batethia community yetu ya Tharaka
ana bari bakirwa gutigiri bakoibunga na kithomo gigiti kugana ntorume ga kibabatiri kuthoma magwatho.
We are no longer the leaders of tomorrow, we are leaders of today. So nka encourage yari mono tethra twina big dreams okaraitha namba agogo we are very few. So we can take that advantage. Aritumire namba inene and we make big dreams as ladies.
Kama wakili mdito kwa manitia tukwenda encourage society yetu ya Tharaka. Bato ni intere magamba nuntu emde twina mawakiri ti tatene bura twathia guchwa mawakiri kando kando emne Tharaka ina mawakiri.
Nkiripotera Oru TV kumantereche Tharaka chukurunia Tharaka University Bitu Paul Gwakabithe.